In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add links to your site, WX Website Builder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn any element into a clickable path that guides visitors to the right place, whether that's another page on your site or a trusted resource elsewhere on the web. Start by selecting the element you want to link. This could be a button, an icon, or a piece of text you're already using on your page. If you don't see the perfect element yet, feel free to add one first so you have something to work with. Then click to select it on your canvas. The key here is making sure the element you're targeting is highlighted, so Wix knows which thing you want to connect to a destination. Once the element is selected, look for the small context menu that appears near it. This is the quick action bar that pops up whenever you click an item in the editor. In that menu, choose the chain link icon, that's the link control. Clicking it opens the link settings panel, which is where you'll decide exactly where your visitors should go when they click. Inside the link panel, you'll choose the type of link you want. If you want to send people to another part of your own site, select Page. You'll see a list of your site's pages, like Home, About, Services, or any custom page you've created. Pick the one that makes sense for your visitors' next step. Linking internally is a great way to streamline navigation and keep users moving smoothly through your content. If you want to send people to a location outside your site, click Web Address. Then enter the full external URL. It's a good idea to paste the complete address, starting with HTTP or HTTPS, and give it a quick double check so there are no typos. Clear, accurate links help your visitors trust where they're going and prevent dead ends. When you're happy with your selection, click Done. That applies your choice to the element you selected, and your link is now set up. From this point forward, that button, icon, or text will take visitors exactly where you told it to. If you ever want to change the destination or remove the link, just select the element again and reopen the same link settings panel. And that's all there is to it. Select your element, click the chain link icon, choose a page or a web address, and click Done. A few simple clicks, and your site becomes easier to navigate and more useful for every visitor.